the kettle to the field. The red sky accompanied my steps slowly. Behind my fatigue lies a simple hope. Your face is always present in my silent thoughts. You waited at home with a smile, welcoming my fatigue with a warm heart. Our little story strengthens my life. With you I forget all my tiredness. Our love grew in a simple field. Not much wealth, but a happy heart. I work hard for the future, so that we can live peacefully together later. You waited at home with a smile, welcoming my fatigue with a warm heart. Our little story strengthens my life. With you I forget all my tiredness. Our love grew in a simple field. Not much wealth, but a happy heart. I work hard for the future, so that we can live peacefully together later. Sometimes the rain comes, testing our steps, but we still strengthen each other's hearts. In prayer I call your name every time. This love is simple, but very meaningful. Our love grew in a simple field. Not much wealth, but a happy heart. I work hard for the future, so that we can live peacefully together later. The sunset returns, bringing fatigue and longing. You wait with the same love. In simplicity we remain happy. The love of the breeder lives forever warm. A jukebox cracked in the corner light, spinning one more song tonight. Glass and shadows fill the room. Then I remembered you. I took the stool beside the wall where we once danced through it all. Your laughter still hangs in the air like perfume everywhere. Some men leave and never return. Some loves fade and never burn. But every note that old machine brings back what used to be. Jukebox after midnight, play our song once more, like you did so many nights before. Let the steel guitar cry slow and deep for the promises we couldn't keep. Jukebox after midnight, glow soft and blue. Every spinning line leads back to you. If lonely hearts still get one chance, play the song that made us dance. You wore red satin in the light. Lord, you look like Saturday night. I held your waist and lost all track of any road but that. I chased pride and foolish plans, let love slip through these careless hands. Now every coin I drop inside buys one more tear tonight. Jukebox after midnight, play our song once more, like you did so many nights before. Let the steel guitar cry slow and deep for the promises we couldn't keep. Jukebox after midnight, glow soft and blue. Every spinning line leads back to you. If lonely hearts still get one chance, play the song that made us dance. Someday when this bar goes dark and silence settles on my heart, I pray the last tune that I hear brings your footsteps near. Jukebox after midnight, one more round for me. Let it sing what words can never be. Tell the moon I loved her true, long before I ever knew. Jukebox after midnight, fading out of view. Still the sweetest sound is you. If lonely hearts still get one chance, play the song that made us dance. The jukebox stopped, the room grew still, but in my heart it's playing still.
The orange sky becomes a witness. Two souls stop searching. I see myself in your eyes, calm, cold, without doubt. Old stories no longer press the heart. They come as lessons learned. Now we choose to smile, not to reopen wounds from the past. At the beach, at sunset we dance in a gentle and certain waltz. Not chasing, not pulling away, just faithful to a love that is whole. Old stories no longer press the heart. They come as lessons learned. Now we choose to smile, not to reopen wounds from the past. At the beach, at sunset we dance in a gentle and certain waltz. Not chasing, not pull it away, just faithful to a love
I came soft in the afternoon, my name, some papers, nothing raised. I said it wasn't news. I thanked the man, he wished me luck and walked away. I stood there longer than I needed to, thumbed through what was finally true. 7 years of working toward an end that landed calm when it came due. I took a weight I'd been carrying, set it down where it belonged. Some things aren't fixed by staying late or proving you're still strong. She'll find her way. I'll keep to what I know is mine. Not walking out, not turning away, just stepping back, drawing a line. We did the best with what we had. We took it as far as it would go, simply ran its course. Took the picture off the wall, no ceremony, no delay. Wrapped it up, cleared some space, labeled the box and put it away. Nothing broken, nothing lost, it had its place, it had its time. I didn't linger, didn't rush, just put it down and drew the line. We did the best with what we had. We took it as far as it would go, and simply ran its course. The sun dips low behind the trees. The kitchen light is soft and small. No words are needed in this hour. The world feels fine just as it falls. The windows hold the fading blue. The tea is warm, the chair still leans. I listen to the settling sound of everything between the scenes. This hush is not from loneliness, it's peace that asks for nothing less. Evenings in the quiet feel like everything I need is real. No more trying, no more pace, just time that finally gives me space. No need to chase what's out of sight. I've got these evenings in the quiet. The table's cleared, the shoes are near. The fire hums a steady tone. And in this room of steady breath, I find I'm never quite alone. The end of day can be a friend if you just let the noise suspend. Evenings in the quiet hold more truth than all the tales I've told. No big goodbye, no looking back, just knowing I'm not keeping track. Some things don't need to burn too bright, they glow like evenings in the quiet. Yeah, they glow like evenings in the quiet.
I fell in love with you. I gave my all, my body and soul. I let them fall. I trusted you with everything I had, but you turned away and chose another man. Now I'm standing here with empty hands, trying to understand what I don't understand. The love you gave just slipped away, like it was never to stay. Now regret is all I've ever known. A lonely heart turned cold as stone. It's too late to make things right. I lost your love in the dead of night. Like a flower left to dry, petals falling, no reason why. Once I bloomed in your warm embrace, now I'm just lost without a trace. Will the sun still rise for me again? Or am I trapped in this endless pain? I leave it all to the Lord above to heal this broken heart of love. Lonely heart turned cold as stone. It's too late to make things right. I lost your love in the dead of night. Regret is mine, I can't deny. Too late, I'm left to cry. this old country road. Your hand is gently holding mine, like it did so long ago. We talk about those younger days and dreams we left behind. But darling, you're still beautiful, and you're still on my mind. Through every mile, through every year, you're the reason I'm still here. Oh, time rolls on like a midnight train, through the sunshine and the rain. But this heart of mine still beats for you, and I know it won't change. When I look into your eyes, I see truth that never dies. Just a lifetime full of love and memories in your eyes. We've walked through fire, we've walked through storms, through laughter and through tears. We build a life on trust and faith. Through all these faithful years, no words could ever say enough for what you mean to me. You're the answer to my prayers. You're my everything. Every road just led me home to the love I've always known. Oh, time rolls on like a midnight train, through the sunshine and the rain. But this heart of mine still beats for you, and I know it won't change. When I look into your eyes, I see truth that never dies. Just a lifetime full of love and memories in your eyes. I've seen the world, I've felt the pain, but I choose you all again. If I had just one life to live, I'd still be loving you like this. Yeah, time rolls on like a midnight train, but my love will stay the same. Every beat inside my chest calls your name again and again. When I look into your eyes, I see forever in disguise. Just a lifetime full of love and memories in your eyes. Yeah, memories in your eyes. That's where my whole world lies, till the day I say goodbye. I'll be yours for all my life. I've been driving down this lonely road tonight, with your memory riding by my side. Heard some rumors, said you found someone new, but this old heart still belongs to you. Cold wind blowing through this empty town, neon lights, but you're not around. I reach for you, but you're miles away, just a ghost at the end of every day. So I whisper a prayer to the night above, hoping you still feel my love. Are you thinking of me tonight, underneath that same pale light? I'm counting stars by this old back road, with a heart too heavy to hold. There's nothing left for me to do but sit here and keep loving you. Your touch ain't here to ease my pain, no porch light shining in the rain. This shoulder ain't where you can lean, like it was in our old dreams. Are you thinking of me tonight, underneath that same pale light? I'm counting stars by this old back road, with a heart too heavy to hold. There's nothing left for me to do but sit here and keep loving you. Got your picture on my dashboard still, next to a half-empty bottle I can't refill. Every song on that old FM just brings me back to you again. Yeah, this heart inside my chest still holds your love, won't let it rest. It's you who's been untrue, that's why I'm leaving you. All the hurt and all the pain came from loving you in vain. All the blame belongs to you for the things you put me through. If your love was ever real, why'd you make my heart feel this? Prove to me you love me, I've been blind for far too long. I just can't stay. I kept fooling my own heart, pretending not to see. Now I'm leaving you behind, with these tears in me. I've been a fool too long, acting like there's nothing wrong, even though I always knew that this is who you are. Now I feel it deep inside, you will never even try. So it's better if I go than keep holding on to lies. Prove to me you love me before I walk away. I've been blind for far too long. I just can't stay. I kept fooling my own heart, pretending not to see. Now I'm leaving you behind, with these tears in me. I can't take the pain no more. I've been here too long before, closing eyes to what is true, just to stay with you. Prove to me or let me say goodbye. I won't live my life again believing in your lies. I've been blind for far too long. Now I finally see. I'm walking out your door, with these tears in me. I knew you'd never change, so I chose to walk away. And I left with nothing but tears that day.
There's something on my mind tonight I've held inside so long. Do you know I've loved you, darling, even when it felt so wrong. I've been standing in the shadows, watching love pass me by, 'cause someone else is in your arms, while I'm just wondering why. I've waited here in silence, with a heart that won't let go. Though you never see these tears, there's something you should know. I'll be here loving you, though it breaks my heart in two. Even if you never turn and see this love so true, and if someday he leaves you and your lonely heart feels blue, don't you worry, darling, I'll be here and loving you. If you ever choose to love me, you'll never have to fear. I'd spend my life beside you, keep it all your dreams so near. I would give you all my heart, every day, my whole life through, 'cause there will never be another who loves you like I do.